Hey, this is Walter Bond. Can you believe it? I mean, it's early May, and most of us have been locked down for almost 2 months. I asked my wife this morning, hasn't it been 2 months? She goes, not yet. It hasn't been 2 months yet. Either way, it's been a long time. And I know you're hanging in there. I know you're eager to get back open to full strength. And I just really want to be a support right now through this crisis. And I understand that chaos is a ladder. And if we position ourselves correctly, you should be able to thrive once this crisis is over and we get back to this new normal. We have a mastermind and we meet once a month. And we have business leaders from all over the world kind of congregating and fellowshipping together around a topic. And this week's conversation went deep. And one of the things we talked about was a lot of people want to think outside the box, but I posed a question. Is there anything inside of your box that you're not maximizing? Our business leaders went berserk, and the conversation around what's inside the box went deep. And I just kind of stood back and let these business leaders have this rich conversation as their lights began to click on. Now, I want you to have a similar conversation with your team. Grab your team today, maybe later this week, and say, hey guys, huddle up. Let's have a conversation around maximizing what's inside the box. The biggest mistake you can make is to focus on what's outside the box without maximizing what's simply inside of your box. If you can execute what's inside your box at a high level, it could unlock the key to you solving this riddle, solving this puzzle, and making sure you navigate your team through this crisis effectively. It's up to you to be the general. It's up to you to have the right mindset. It's up to you to make the right decisions and to lead your organization through chaos to success by maximizing what's inside your box. You're going to survive. We're all going to get through this. But I believe the big winners are going to be us leaders who have good fellowship, good networking, and to make sure we operate inside the box. See you guys soon.